Gali edition. We're excited to have you here. Just to let you know that we'll be starting around 8 p.m. In the meantime, we have pop-up shops upstairs of Rwandan Creatives. If you want to take a look, support the local scene, please do. I suggest you do. We have a 360 camera, you know, fancy stuff. I'm not too good at it, but I have a little idea. On my left, all the way at the end there, if you want to take some really cool pictures, post them later on social media, please, by all means. Once again, have a great time. The bar is open. We're excited to have you here. We'll be starting the proceedings around 8 p.m. Enjoy.
Got better response. Amakuru. Can see I've been hanging around Rwanda people, so thank you for. I think to start off, thank you to Visit Rwanda. Thank you to Panorica for making this happen, without whom we'd not be able to hold this particular event, and so we're grateful to you guys for the support.